libingan ng mga bayani is hallowed ground reserved almost exclusively for past heads of state and the bravest and fearless whose exploits on the battlefield are mythical and legendary. But a brilliant actor and exceptional singing talent, a national treasure and gift to the nation, and the only superstar the country has known is more than worthy to join the ranks in eternal rest, as our Floyd Brents reports.
Grief and sadness took over as Nora Cabaltera Villamayor, better known as Nora Honor, was laid to rest at the libingan ng mga bayani in Taguig City. As a national artist for film and broadcast arts, Nora Honor was honored with a gun salute during the ceremony. A solemn moment came when the Philippine flag was handed to her son, Ian Christopher De Leon. Friends, colleagues, and devoted fans offered flowers and paid their final respects to the superstar of Philippine cinema.
Masakit tanggapin, pero kailangan na namin siyang ipaubaya sa ating Panginoon para siya ay maging masaya na rin sa kabilang buhay.
Nora Honor's family expressed their heartfelt gratitude for the prayers, love, condolences they received.
Hindi niyo po alam kung gaano rin namin po kayo kamahal dahil sa pagmamahal nyo na binigay nyo sa mami namin po. Siya lang po ang nag-iisang superstar po dahil sa inyong lahat.
Nora Honor now joins more than 50 national artists who are buried at the libingan ng mga bayani, a resting place reserved for the country's most esteemed figures. Prior to the interment, arrival honors were held at the Metropolitan Theater in Manila, followed by a tribute program celebrating her extraordinary contributions to the arts.
Mula sa kanyang payak na simula sa Bicol hanggang sa kanyang pagsikat bilang kaisa-isang superstar ng Philippine show business, ipinamalas niya kung paano magtagumpay sa gitna ng pagsubok sa pamamagitan ng husay, sipag at kabutihan.
Nora Honor had a remarkable career, starring in over 170 films and earning numerous local and international awards. In recognition of her passing, Malacanang declared April 22 as a day of national mourning. Under Proclamation number 870, signed by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The proclamation also ordered the Philippine flag to be flown at half-mast across all government offices in the Philippines and abroad. Floyd Brents from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.